Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the Octavi OS on the POCO X2. So guys, let's begin. As you guys can see here, the Octavi OS version here is official, the 2.6 version, and here it is showing the phone specifications, the 1080 by 2400 display and everything, the display specification, the processor and everything, the battery, the processor and everything, and the maintainer here is the Redcliffe. The Android version here is Android 11, and the security patch level we get is the previous month 5th of June 2021. So these are the ROM specification, and as you can see, this UI here is looking just great. Now going back here, this is the phone settings here, and it will show your name up here, but it is here is a bug. As you can see, it is just cutting out my name, and as you can see, so this is a bug present here. So first of all, we will be looking out the settings. As you can see, this is the new UI, and going to the system here, these are the options, the gestures and everything. So these are just normal. The lift to check phone here is not working as usual in each and every Android 11 ROM. So yeah, the lift to check phone here is just not working. Then here is the about Octavi OS, the developers and everything. The POCO parts here we get to see, and here the option we get is the vibration strength and the POCO sound enhancer. This is the direct sound enhancer, and the display color calibration, you can just turn it on from here if you want, and you can adjust the display colors from here. So this is the options available. The POCO parts, like the Xiaomi parts in other Redmi phones, we get to see here the POCO parts. Now moving back here to the security, the fingerprint scanner here is working perfectly fine, no issues with the fingerprint scanner, but you have to wait a bit before unlocking. As you can see, now it will not unlock now, so you have to wait a little bit after locking the phone. It will not unlock immediately. So yeah, this is the lock screen, and as you can see, it's looking just great. There is the clock and everything, and the fingerprint here is working, the app lock here is working, face unlock here is working, everything is working fine. The security, no issues. Then moving forward to the sound here, these are all just the sound option, nothing here is new. Then in the display, these are all the options available, the device specific settings and the build style notch and everything. This is also just the same, and in this is the clock styles. Here are all the clock styles available, and I had switched to type alt, and this is how it is. So yeah, this clock style is looking just great. So moving back here, the ambient display stuff and everything is working perfectly fine, no issues with that also. And going back to the battery options, I must say the battery here is pretty much very bad for me. I have to switch once to MIUI, stock MIUI, like format the phone and everything. I once have to do it. The battery backup for me here is just very bad. I'll just show you full device usage in the active battery. The history, as you can see, from 83% to 40% battery drain, I got 4 hours and 30 minutes of screen on time. So yeah, which is very bad at 120 Hz. I should at least get 5 hours. And to charge from 8% to 83%, it took 56 minutes. So yeah, the battery charging time here is just great. And another, I'll just I'll just show you. From 81% to 27%, the screen on time I got was 3 hours only. So yeah, this is the issue I am facing. The battery backup here is very bad for me, but it must be great for you. Then talking about the customization, here are the customization. The Octavi Lab here, as you can see, this is the UI. Like this is the like .os one. These are the quick settings customization, the status bar options, the notification, the system power menu and everything, the nav bar customization, volume panels and everything. Themes here are available, the dark theme and everything. These are the themes, the Raven Black, Octavi Clear and everything. So yeah, these are the themes options available. The visualizer, then the gaming mode here is also available. You can turn it on from here. The gaming mode Yeah, this was the customizations and the Octavi Lab. Now going to the home screen, this is the home screen, the normal stock Android home screen, and the 120 Hz display here is just great, is running fluid and smooth, no issues with the 120 Hz display. This is the quick settings UI, and yeah, it has been changed a little bit. Then the Wi-Fi is working, mobile data VoLTE here is also working perfectly fine, no issues. The torch and everything here is working. The screen recorder here is also working, it is available, so yeah, which is great. The refresh rate toggle here is available, and you can switch the refresh rate from here. And the 120 Hz refresh rate here is just working perfectly fine, no issues, it's just great. Okay, then talking about the cameras here, with the default camera we get here is the ANX cam, which is also working perfectly fine, no worries, everything here is just working. This 64 megapixel mode, let's just check, here is also working fine. As you can see, 64 megapixel mode, the details and everything. So the ANX cam here is working, the portrait mode and everything, the video and everything, so yeah. Then talking about the Gcam here, Gcam as usual will be working fine. Then talking about the safety net status here, I'll just show you. The safety net status has passed and the banking apps are just running perfectly fine. Then talking about the performance here, and this is the AnTuTu benchmark score, which I get the 3,43,000, which is a great score for the Snapdragon 730G. So yes, the performance on this ROM here is just great. There are no issues, there are no lags or stutters or anything. The ROM here is performing just great. And this is the benchmark score, which I got Geekbench score 523 and 1617. And this is for the comparison, the 523, 1585. These are all the other ROMs score, and as compared to these, the score for the Octavi OS is highest. So yeah, the Octavi OS, the performance here is just great, no issues with the performance, it's smooth and there are no lags or stutters or anything, everything just pretty much works fine. Now talking about the call quality here, there are no issues with the calls are also working perfectly fine. Then talking about the bugs here, the only bug I had faced till now was the random reboot bug. Yeah, I had faced it 2 to 3 times. I am using this ROM from almost 4 days now, and I had faced the random reboot bug, like the phone just hangs while using and it just reboots. So yes, this is the only bug I had faced, and yeah. So this was it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.